This YouTube automation channel makes around $10,000 per month, and a big part of that is because it's in the car niche. And the best part is that they're not actually on camera themselves. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can make a faceless YouTube automation channel like this using only AI tools. And by the way, this number of around $10,000 a month is from Social Blade. But usually, the numbers on here show lower than what the channel is actually making. Plus, this only shows ad revenue. You can also make money through sponsorships, brand deals, partnerships, and affiliate marketing, so this channel is definitely making more. But even at $10,000 a month, that's pretty darn impressive. So let me run you through what the plan is for today so that you can start a profitable channel in this niche and start earning numbers. In the rest of this video, I'm going to show you how you can create, edit, and narrate videos similar to this one using only AI. We'll break down the whole process step by step, and don't worry, even if you're not into cars, this method can work for any topic. Later on, I'll even reveal 2 new niches that are currently trending and untapped. So let's start with step 1. Deciding on a topic for our videos. In this video, we're talking about a new hydrogen-powered engine. I call this being in the right place at the right time. No matter what your niche is, you want to create content about something that's hot right now. I think a great topic would be the Tesla Model 3. Teslas are always interesting, and Elon Musk is constantly making headlines, so we could tap into that for our video content. But you can always turn to ChatGPT for interesting and hot video ideas for things that are currently trending, or you can just check out social media and see what's trending. Now, let's talk about the magic tool that's making all of this possible. InVideo AI. This tool is going to automate everything for us, and you're going to see how it works in just a moment. So once you're in, you'll be taken to a page where you can enter a prompt and provide detailed instructions on what you want in your video. You can use this as a prompt template and fill in the blanks with what's relevant to you. Be sure to screenshot this so that you have it handy. I'm aiming for a 12-minute video. Why 12 minutes? Well, once you're monetized on YouTube, you can run mid-roll ads on videos longer than 8 minutes, potentially doubling or tripling your ad revenue. Next, I'll tell the AI that this video is for YouTube and we'll be discussing Elon Musk because let's face it, he's a legend. We'll also ask it to use stock footage and specify the style. Here's the big part. We need to outline the plot of the video. Think of it like a thesis paper. Our video needs to convince viewers why the Model 3 engine is superior to a regular car engine. We'll go for a male British voice because I think that suits this channel. Then we'll select the type of music we want to include. Once we're happy with our prompt, we'll click Generate Video, and it will take us to the next screen. Here, we'll choose our audience, the visual style, and the platform we plan to share the video on. I'll select Car Enthusiast, Minimalist, Modern, and YouTube, then click Continue. Now it's time to let the AI do its thing. No more wasting hours writing scripts, searching for stock footage, or hunting down good music. InVideo AI can handle all of that for us. It scours the web for information from websites and articles, making sure that we have solid content. Usually it takes about 3 minutes to put together the entire video. And there you have it, our video is ready. But since it was created by AI, there might be some things we want to tweak. So I'll show you the 3 best ways to improve your videos on this site. So after taking a look at our initial draft, I realized that the beginning of our video isn't grabbing viewers' attention like it should. The current hook is a bit dull. We all know that on YouTube, if you don't hook the viewer in the first 30 seconds, you won't get many views. So we definitely need to jazz this up. One way we can do this is by using the magic box below. I'll give it a simple command to improve the hook. For example, I might say Elon Musk has literally changed the world with his Tesla Model 3 engine. That sounds much more engaging, doesn't it? But here's the cool part. The magic box isn't just for hooks. You can ask it to change the style to dramatic, show clips of funny people, or pretty much anything you want. It's like the ChatGPT of video editing, and another way we can make edits is by clicking Edit. Here, we can tweak the media or the script. If I want to start by improving the hook, I'll head to the Edit Script section and change the sentence. But let's say we're not happy with the footage the AI provided. No worries, we can head to Edit Media and select the clip we want to replace. Then, we'll just type in a search term for something we'd prefer to show instead. For example, I might search for a different car engine that looks better and click Replace. Super simple. One more awesome thing about this tool is its versatility. You can use it not only on your computer, but also on your phone. That means I can work on a project on my computer and seamlessly switch to my phone using their app whenever I need to, which is crazy convenient. Once you've gone through the entire script and made all the edits you want, it's time to click Export. This will turn your creation into a finished video ready to share with the world. Now, getting started with InVideo AI is completely free, but if you're serious about video creation and want to publish videos without a watermark, you'll need to upgrade to a paid plan. Luckily, these plans start as low as $20 per month, making them quite affordable for anyone looking to take their video editing to the next level. Now it's time to create an eye-catching title and a thumbnail that grabs attention. For this, let's turn to ChatGPT. I'll ask it for a picture of a Tesla, and if the first one doesn't quite hit the mark, we can refine our search until we find the perfect shot. Then I'll overlay a photo of Elon to attract even more views, especially from his devoted fan base. You can do the same thing using other tools like Leonardo AI or Midjourney. Now, we're almost done. The final step is to write an interesting title and relevant tags to attract the right audience to our video. Our goal here is to guide YouTube in promoting our content to car fans, so I'll write a title that captures attention and then ask ChatGPT for relevant tags based on our video's content, and now it's ready to upload. Now it's just a matter of making more and more of these videos and uploading them on YouTube. Now, I do remember that I promised to share 2 trending niches with you. Here they are. First up is the world of UFC fighters. I came across this channel that gained huge traction despite being relatively new, focusing on stars like Conor McGregor and Izzy Adesanya. It seems there's a massive audience eager for content in this space. They're making around $4,000 a month in just ad revenue. But the second niche is all about surviving life or death situations, like this channel here, which makes around $25,000 a month in ad revenue. There's something about hearing stories of danger from the safety of our own homes that captivates us. It's why scary story podcasts are so popular. If you pick a really good spooky voice and use AI to narrate these stories, you'll definitely get some attention. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, I'd really appreciate if you like, comment, and subscribe for more videos like this.